with summer.
Hey guys, this is Giridhar here for G Phone Tech, and today in this video I'm going to tell you all the details about the newly launched Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 edition. So let's get started. Samsung Galaxy A7 has always been an affordable version of the Samsung top-end variant Samsung Galaxy S series. This year's A7 model is no exception to it. This is a very lightweight and flat mobile phone with a very thin form factor. It weighs just 168 grams, metal frames and glass body at the front and back. The front display glass is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. On the front, you get a 6-inch Full HD Plus resolution with no notch and edge-to-edge infinity display. The display is made of AMOLED screen. At the bottom, you would find a 3.5mm audio jack, a mic, a micro USB port and the speaker. On the top, you would find a noise cancelling mic. On the right side, there is a volume button and below the volume button, there is a power button which has an integrated fingerprint sensor. On the left side, you would find a triple card tray which can fit in 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card at the same time. Coming to the camera, which is the primary highlight of this mobile phone, you would get a 24 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f1.7. This camera is assisted with a 5 megapixel f2.2 aperture depth sensor. But the feather in the cap on this mobile phone is its 8 megapixel wide angle lens, which is as wide as a 13mm lens. Coming to the front, you would find a 24 megapixel f2.2 aperture camera, and the camera UI is also a familiar Samsung camera UI with loads of features packed into it. Check out the camera samples. My first knee-jerk reaction is that the images aren't that sharp. Though I click these photos in a well-lit environment, images are not very sharp and detailed. I'm also not that much satisfied with the live focus mode, but then this is my first impression. I'll have to spend a little more time with this mobile phone to come to a final conclusion. Coming back to the mobile phone's hardware, the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 edition is powered by Samsung's very own Exynos 7885 processor. It has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage variant, which is priced at Rs 23,990. The 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage variant is priced at Rs 28,990. The mobile phone also has FM radio, gyroscope sensor, compass, proximity and all the other sensors which normally you would expect on a mobile phone in this price range. It has 3300 mAh of battery, and the Android version on this mobile phone is Android 8.0, which has the Samsung's Experience 9.0 version skin on top of it. It has a lot of interesting features like the AR stickers and also some Samsung very own applications like the Samsung Pay mini variant. But talking about the key highlights of this mobile phone, the mobile phone has got face unlock, but the engineering challenge here is the side fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor, when I checked it, was really fast and accurate. Another key highlight of this mobile phone is the triple camera arrangement at the back, and I really like the fact that they have provided an ultra wide lens which can click dramatic pictures for you. The mobile phone has AMOLED screen as mentioned earlier, but then it also has IP68 rated waterproofing. So let me know your thoughts about the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 edition. If you have any specific questions about this mobile phone, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. And thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll catch up with you on the next video. Until then, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.